Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, SSLC 2021 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಾರಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 40 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3 ಆಗಿ ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿತ ನೋಡದೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಮೊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ 100% ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಥಿಕ್ಕರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಾ ವೈ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಥಿಕ್ಕರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್. ಸ್ಟೇನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್? ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಐರನ್, ನಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನೇಮ್ 2 ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ನೇಮ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. See, the SI unit of electric current is ampere. Next, fifth question, name the ore of mercury. So, mercury na ore bandu cinnabar. Okay. Next, sixth question, name the plant hormone which inhibits the growth. Inhibits means stopping. So, the plant hormone which inhibits the growth is abscisic acid. Seventh question, name the plant hormone which promotes the growth of plant. See, the plant hormone which promotes the growth is auxin. Next, name the property of metal that can be beaten into thin sheets. That is malleability. Malleability is the property of metal that can be beaten into thin sheets. And the ninth question, name the property of metal that can be drawn into thin wire. So, the property of metal that can be drawn into thin wire, this property is ductility. 10th question, name the chief nitrogenous waste present in the human urine. See, in human urine, uric acid and urea is present, which is the chief nitrogenous waste. 11th question, why is sodium kept under kerosene? Sodium is highly reactive metal. As it reacts with the atmospheric air and catches fire, it is kept under kerosene. So next question, mention the types of blood cells. The types of blood cells are RBC, WBC and platelets, whereas RBC stands for red blood cell and WBC stands for white blood cells. The next question, name the device that helps to maintain the potential difference across the conductor. It is a battery. Next, give an example of metal which is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is the metal which is liquid at room temperature. Next, what is the gap between 2 neurons called? The gap between 2 neurons called as synapse. Name the part of brain which helps in maintaining the posture and balance of the body. It is very important. Many times they have asked this concept. It is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of brain which helps in maintaining the posture. That means whenever we walk straight or whenever we walk zigzag, whichever the posture we are walking in, okay, everything is maintained by cerebellum. So 17th question, name the injection which is injected to treat the diabetic patient. The injection is insulin. Insulin injection is given to the patients who are diabetic. Next, 18th question. Name the disease caused due to the deficiency of iodine. It is goiter. Name the device which is used to measure electric current. Ammeter is the device which is used to measure the electric current. Next, name the physical quantity which remains same in all the resistors when connected to series. It is electric current. What is the SI unit of electric power? Watt is the SI unit of electric power. So next question, how many chambers are there in human heart? Mention the chambers. There are 4 chambers in the human heart: left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle are the 4 chambers. Next question, what is our tooth enamel made up of? The tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. What is the SI unit of resistivity? SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. 25th question, solutions of compounds like alcohol and glucose do not show acidic character. Why? Because they do not generate H plus ions. Because H plus ions are responsible for the acidic character. Next, name the gas usually liberated when acid react with a metal. Any metal, when it react with the acid, hydrogen gas is liberated. Name the commercial unit of energy. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. You can also write in the short form. Give example for olfactory indicators. The examples are onion, vanilla essence. You can also write the cloves. They are also examples for olfactory indicators. Iron articles should be painted. Why? Iron articles should be painted to prevent the rusting. Name the plant hormone which promotes cell division. It is none other than cytokinins. Cytokinins are the plant hormones which promotes the cell division. Next, name the part of the brain which controls salivation and vomiting. Hindbrain will control the salivation and vomiting. What is reflex arc? Reflex arc is a nerve pathway involved in the reflex action. Always you'll be having a confusion between reflex arc and reflex action. Very simple. Reflex arc is a pathway. It's a nerve pathway which involved in the reflex action. Then what is meant by reflex action? Reflex action is extremely a quick action, a sudden action response to something. Okay? Next, define transpiration. The loss of water in the form of water vapor from aerial parts of the plant. It is called as transpiration. Next is translocation. Define translocation. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called as translocation. See, in translocation, the food particles are transported. It has been traveled from one part of the plant to another. Next, what are plant hormones? Plant hormones are also called as phytohormones. In your examination, if they ask phytohormones, you should know that it is same as plant hormones. Okay? Plant hormones are also called as phytohormones and they are chemical compounds which are present in the plants. Okay? Chemical compounds or chemical messengers you can write. Next, name the types of plant hormones. Auxin, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid are the 4 types of plant hormones. Next, name the hormones help in development of male sex organ. Testosterone is the male hormone. It is helpful for the development of male sex organs. Next, name the hormones which help in development of female sex organs. Estrogen and progesterone are the female hormones. They help in the development of female sex organs. Last question of this session. Name the hormones which release during the emergency and stress. It is adrenaline. Adrenal gland releases adrenaline hormone. Students, in further videos, I will give more knowledge about the SSLC science questions. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark or 4 mark, anything it may be. I will upload the videos part wise. It is very helpful for you to recall all the topics. Whenever you are free, watch this video, recall the concepts so that it will remember in your mind for longer period of time. If you feel this video is useful, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel and share this video among your friends. I'll come up with another video. That's all for this session. Thank you so much.